Okay. Hey you guys, it's me, Amber Kush, back again with something a little bit different. I've got a sneaker review video for you guys today because I just got the black toe satin ones. Yay! And I was looking through YouTube because I wanted to find a review comparing the shattered backboards to these, and I could not find it. I was like, what in the world? So I figured I would bless you guys, hook y'all up with a comparison between the black toe satin ones and the orange satin shattered backboards. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. The first major difference that's very obvious is the shattered backboards have the orange satin on the toe, and the black toes, my bad, the black toes don't. They are just leather. But I didn't want to say it like, oh, they're just leather. It's actually a really decent leather. It's really squishy. It's not like super premium like some of the Jordans are, but it's pretty premium, so I'm happy with it. And I know a lot of people, I've heard some people, well, not a lot, but I've heard some people complain about not having satin on the toe. My opinion on that, my little 2 cents is, I don't think the satin would have really looked good on the toe, because having the satin just on the back makes it true to the black toes. Like, this looks just like the OG black toe ones, except with satin. And I really, really love that. So yeah, next major difference, Nike check is a leather Nike check. This is that creme de la creme. They put that on the check. It's really soft. The grain is really beautiful. Like, this feels like purse leather or something. It's really awesome. On the shattered backboards, they've got this awesome stitched in check, which I love. It kind of gives it this satin effect like the orange. It just, I don't know, I feel like it ties the shoe in. I like the satin check. I like having the extra satin on the toe. And one other thing, you guys, the leather on the side panels over here, it's obviously like an off-white color. I know there's like a technical name for the color of this, but I'm calling it off-white. This is pure white. The leather on the shattered backboards, you guys, is premium. It's definitely like purse leather. It honestly feels better than the check on here. So soft, so buttery. It doesn't even really compare to the leather on the new black toes. I'm not gonna lie. Next, through the next difference I'm staring at right now, I can't help myself, is the satin difference. It's so different. So I don't know if you can get in here, but the satin on the orange is so soft. What is the word I'm looking for? It looks like a higher thread count or something like that. It's just very, very tightly knit, very soft. The new black toes, the satin is, you can see almost like lines in the satin. So it's not, it doesn't feel as soft, not as smooth. You can feel the ridges of those lines. So these just bling to me. I mean, this isn't bad. I'm not like being a super complainer. It's still nice, but it is no shattered backboard if you're comparing the satin. Next difference is the Air Jordan Wings logo on the side. I love that they made it like this solid piece, like this, that's not sewn in. If you look at the shattered backboards, it's sewn. It's harder to see, I'm not gonna lie, like a little messier. This is awesome. I wish that this Air Jordan, I think it's plastic, yeah, I wish this plastic piece was on these and it would be like ultimate, but whatever, you know. This is a really awesome shoe. I noticed these have these eyelets. Let's investigate the shoestrings. Let's investigate. Alright, right, here we go. Okay, so there is a difference here. Let me just pick this back up to show you guys. All right, so the eyelets, is that what that is? Eyelets? I don't know, but they're way nicer on here. Look at this shoe. The tip is metal, rounded at the end, and I believe, I might have been calling the wrong thing eyelets. I think these are metal. So it's not gonna scratch your shoestring. It's gonna be nice and smooth when you put your laces through there. These, on the other hand, are not. These are cloth eyelets. And oh, I think I picked up the wrong shoe for you guys. My bad. And it's just nowhere near. It's like a plastic. Just, it's no, I mean, there's no type of quality put into this piece. So there's that difference. I'm glad I discovered that. Noticed that one. Alrighty. Other differences would be, oh yeah, one more thing, you guys. I'm looking at the actual shoestring closer. This is a very shiny, silky, high quality shoestring. This is a matte cloth. I'm sure this is just like whatever they would use, what they had in the Nike factory. It's not like anything special. The insoles, I was checking those out. They're very similar. I'll pull out my shoe horn. They pretty much look the same to me. One white and black, one black and orange. The bottoms, however, big difference. We've got this gum bottom, this jelly gum bottom on the satins. We've got a normal red rubber bottom on the black toes. I am a huge fan of gum bottoms, you guys. I love how they feel when you walk. There's just something about the grip on the ground. I don't know, I love it. So that's another W for me for the satins. I think this video is turning into a little bit of a which one is better, which I didn't plan on. But if I had to choose which one is the better quality shoe for your money, being that they're going for a similar price, I honestly would have to say go with the shattered backboards, you guys. It's just, they genuinely put more quality into each individual piece. Like, I'm telling you, the black on the toe is a much softer leather. It's that premium purse leather. We got premium purse leather, which doesn't exist at all on the black toes. Oh, I forgot this, you guys. This satin on the inside of your shoe. There's satin inside of both of these. It is so soft on here, so much squishier. Like, the padding inside squishier, the actual feel is silkier. I wore these to go hopefully get these, which I did, hooray. But I wore these all day and I had low socks on. I was worried about it because I was going around all over the city. Dude, like baby skin. No issues whatsoever. It was so soft. And I have no regrets at all purchasing this shoe. So if you're trying to choose, you can't get both, go with the shattered backboards. You're not going to be disappointed. Again, the black toes are nice. I'm telling you, like, the leather is good. It's good leather. Nothing wrong with the satin. Nothing wrong. It's just the shattered backboards are better in my opinion. So yeah, I think that's it. If there's anything that I missed, feel free to let me know in the comments. I actually would really like to know any other differences that you guys noticed. Would be cool. And yeah, if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. I know I don't normally do sneaker vids, but hopefully this helped some people out. And yeah, y'all have an awesome day. Peace.